Education Minister Rakkam Sangma said that if the government implements the National Education Policy NEP 2020 in entirety, there are certain sections and portions that would be made suitable and Meghalaya-centric. The state government is planning to redraft and amend the Meghalaya State Education Policy. He said that in the redrafted Meghalaya Education Policy, there will be chapters dedicated to Meghalaya culture, freedom fighters, history and people. Meanwhile, the Education Minister also said that the government has already written to the National Testing Agency NTA for more Cuet examination centers in the state after various pressure groups raised the issue of students facing difficulties due to less Cuet centers.
Meghalaya chapter has to be coming because all the what happened that contains in the NEP 2020. So I think as a state government, it may be beyond our ability to implement every points that have been incorporated in the NEP 2020. Yes, for CUT examination, we have already met known to the NTA to give us more center. I think if I'm not wrong, we have got still the exemption for 23-24 last year, right? So we have still got exempted. But however, our students have gone in appearing for CUT exam this year.
Cabinet Minister Paul Lyngdoh yesterday said that